Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you the scrapbook and cards today, Papercrafting Crop and Create delivered, and these are all of the sponsors for this kit. So this is an event that I used to do live in person, and because of the pandemic, they moved online, and I've resisted up until now. And I decided to go ahead and get one because the number of supplies that you get themselves are worth the money. And I think it was around $300 for this. Shipping was pretty costly, but I mean, when I think about, I'm just going to show you as I go here. When I think about all of the orders that I make, I spend about $100 every time anyway, and so this is definitely worth as much or way more than 3 orders that of materials that I would get. And then they have classes and instructors and videos to inspire you and everything as well. So this is a little sneak peek at everything that we're going to be making, and I'll just walk you through the things that are inside. These aren't in order because I've unboxed this about 3 or 4 times with various people, but I just wanted to give you a little look through. There are some mini classes that we are going to be doing, and this is what the supplies are for the variety of mini classes. So you can see all the amazing stickers here. That's great. I was most excited to see Maggie Holmes' round trip. I did not get any of that collection previously, so that was very exciting. And let's just take it out like this. I watched the unboxing last night, so I'm ready to be able to post this for you now. And the unboxing was going through all of the details about what each kit would entail. Some really nice stickers and what they were all for and how the weekend would work. So this is coming up the first weekend in November. There's the Simple Stories, Let's Get Crafty, which is a beautiful collection. I love these colors. These are my kind of colors. That was the only hesitation I had to purchasing this kit, was that you don't know what the supplies are, and then you have to sort of hope that they have colors and materials that are your liking. And for the most part, everything really was to my liking. That's beautiful paper there. So there's Pink Fresh Studios. That's stunning, really. And then Virginia Nebel's going to be doing some sort of a little mini shadow box insert with us. And then there is a card class. I was most excited to see this. I love these Simple Stories card kits. They're really a great project to mindlessly just sit down and not have to think about what you're doing or what you're creating. It's a great project to take on the go. And that is everything that's just in the first kit. It's very hard to get everything back in in the bags, so I'm just going to do like a simple sort of look through this way. So we have Vicki Booten doing a class with her Sweet Rush collection. Take out these papers here, give you a little flip through. Very pretty patterns. That's a little unlike the colors I would normally work with, but it's nice to push yourself out of your comfort zone. That's the other reason. It's like I thought I would probably get something that really appealed to me, and for the things that are outside of what I would normally work with, I thought it was a good idea to challenge myself to try some new products. I really do love Vicki Booten's style. Her colors are bolder and brighter than I usually like to work with. But the end result, I know I will be ecstatic. So this kit I've already seen, Eugenia Eubank think her name is doing a snap flip book, and she's already got homework for us. So each of the teachers give us homework to do to help the classes go quicker, because they pack a lot into the weekend. And this is the entire Simple Stories collection kit. So that's a little look at what you get there. So that's just that whole kit, as well as a half of a paper pad, the brads, the ephemera, and that snap notebook. And then we also have a kit from Virginia Neville, and this is a mixed kit, and I can't even believe the combination of materials that she has put together for us, because they completely do not coordinate. So it's interesting to see how she is going to pull them all together. They are not papers that I would work with specifically. I'll give you a little, I love that paper. Beautiful Things from Bo Bunny. Beautiful indeed. Anyways, so she's got these beautiful papers like this, and then she has some really like Christmas papers. She's got like some outdoor papers. Let's see, there's like a gnome camping papers. There's camping stickers. Like what a strange combination. So I'm not sure what that class is going to be, but I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Then there's a Close to My Heart kit. This is Megan Andrews that is doing this kit, and it is Celebrating You, and it's got a fun mix of cardstock and two-sided papers. Let's see here. I'm just in a bit of a rush here, so I'm doing this quickly for you, which is nice if you want a little sneak peek to see. Oh, and there were nice stamps and star dies in there as well. There's this fun little piece here that we can color. I'm just on my way to a crafty meetup, and I thought, oh, I better film this unboxing because I have to start my homework. And just wanted to show you how it all came, and then there'll be probably more videos if I actually complete any of the projects. I didn't buy these classes to do the project specifically. I signed up for the materials, but I will probably participate in some, or maybe all. We'll have to see how I like it. Anyway, so this one comes with 2 packs of ephemera, the thickers, and then something else that just snuck in behind there were the Paige Evans stickers with a sticker book. Let's see, something like that. So really a great amount of supplies, especially considering that you get all these instructions on how to create the different layouts. And here's a little peek at what the layouts look like and what the instructions look like. That's that book. I'm going to start working on my homework for that one. Jana Eubank, that's her name. I didn't even see it there, but now I just remember. And then Paige Evans, she speaks to my heart. Paige Evans has to be one of my kindred spirits. Or we just, I liked her classes. There's no instructions. It's just like fussy cut some stuff and create. Basically, when I went to her classes in person before, and I love that about her. She gives you sort of a template and says, here's my idea, and then you put it together, but there's no measuring, and there's no, there's a lot of like finicky details. This is Megan's class, but that's nice for graduation. What a good idea. Anyways, but I really enjoy Paige Evans' style, and she has, like, I was blown away when I saw her stuff in person, the amount of stitching and everything she does. So that is everything. So this was a little welcome kit here that I kind of glanced over at the very beginning. That's everything that came in. They are starting to do the spring sign-ups. You have to sign up for this way in advance, and then months go by, and then the class comes to fruition. So I've got this class and paid for it now, and I suspect I'll probably do another one in the spring. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.